guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Many of you asked me to record a very super easy tutorial how to create painting in Adobe Photoshop CC for Halloween. I heard you. Let's do it today. So I have opened my Adobe Photoshop CC and also I have created my simple document. You can create your document in any size you want to. You can use any color for your background. It's your creation, it's your art. Everything is up to you. I will be using Wacom Cintiq and Wacom airbrush pen. Also, I will be using all Kyle Webster's brushes I downloaded from Adobe website. If you are Creative Cloud subscriber, all those brushes are free for you. So I will highlight my brush tool, switch to my brushes panel, and here I have the first brush I would like to work with today. I will click on this brush. I will switch to my brush settings and I will switch pen pressure to stylist wheel because I'm using airbrush pen. I love control my painting using airbrush wheel. So I'm switching everything to stylist wheel and I'm ready to go. In the layers panel, I will click add a new empty layer. I will switch color for my brush to dark blue and I will increase size of my brush. I'm using Wacom Cintiq and I specified that this wheel will control size of my brush. So simply moving this wheel to the right, I will increase size of my brush. And I will start working on the sky. Guys, just look at this texture. Beautiful. So this is my sky. Simple, right? Very simple so far. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will switch to my brushes panel and here I have my where is it here I have my favorite watercolor brushes folder with all my favorite Kyle Webster's watercolor brushes. I will click on this brush, switch back to brush settings, and I will switch everything from pen pressure to stylist wheel, just like this. Transform. Perfect. And I'm switching back to my layers. Now I would like to use white color for my brush and I will increase size for my brush. And voila. Here is my first cloud and this is my second cloud. In my layers panel, I will bring down opacity for my cloud layer. I will bring down opacity probably about 30%, maybe less. Yeah, 21%. And I will switch to my brushes panel. Here I have soft round brush I will be using today. Switching back to layers, add a new empty layer. Using same white color, I will create my moon. Guys, you can create your moon in any size you want to. You can create your moon in bigger or smaller size. You can use different color for your moon. It's October, it's Halloween. Everything is possible. So this is my moon. Very mystery looking, a big, huge moon, and I love it. So this is my moon. What I will do, I will create a new empty layer. I will switch color for my brush from white to the black. I will bring down size of my brush and I will start working on my trees branches. So guys, you can create your tree branch in any size you want to. You can create your branch in any shape you want to. As I said before, it's your creation, it's your art. Use your imagination. So what I'm doing now, I'm working on my branch. First a branch, just like that. I love Halloween painting. A lot of fun. This is my first branch. I will switch to simple eraser tool, increase size, and I will erase this part of my branch just like that. Perfect. and I love it. So guys, it's easy, it's fast, not complicated at all. Let's continue. I will create a new layer. I will switch to my paintbrush. I'm not switching my paintbrush. I'm not switching color. I'm using same black color, same brush, and I will create another branch. But I will bring size down of my brush, and voila, here will be my second branch, just like this. And I'm switching back to my eraser tool, and I will fix top of my branch. I love this effect. Perfect. Switching back to my brush tool, and I will continue working on my branch. Guys, you can create as many branches as you want. Everything is up to you. Again, I'm repeating myself, but it's your creation. It's your art. This is my small branch. Just like this. And another branch. I'm switching back to my eraser tool, and I will fix top of this small branch. Perfect. Guys, you can continue working on your branches. You can add as many branches as you want to, but I don't want to keep you here longer than you want to be in here. So let's start working on our cat. I will add a new empty layer, just like that. I will switch to my simple paintbrush with same black color, and I will start working on my cat. So this will be a bottom part of my cat, just like this. And I will fill this simple shape with a black color, just like that. Perfect. I will create a new layer, and I will start working on the middle part of my cat, just like that. And again, guys, you can create your cat in any size you want to. You can create your cat in any shape you want to. It's your creation, it's your cat. So do whatever you want. Do whatever you like. And now I will create, let me fix this side. Perfect, perfect. Maybe something like this. Let's see, yes. Perfect, I love it. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will bring size down for my brush, and I will start working on cat's head. Just like this. And I will bring size down of my size of my brush down, just like that, and I will start working on cat's ears. Very cute cat. Very, very cute. How simple is it, guys? Very simple. I will switch to my eraser tool. I will bring size down with my eraser tool, and I will fix top of a cat's ears. Just like this. Perfect. Now, guys, what I will do? I will switch back to my brush tool. I will make size smaller, and I will fix edges of my cat, just like this. Perfect. Big cat sitting on top of the tree and looking at the moon. Now I will create a new empty layer. I will make size of my brush bigger, and I will create my cat's tail, just like this. And again, guys, I know I'm repeating myself, but You can create your cat's tail in any shape you want to, in any size you want to. Everything is up to you. It's your cat, it's your creation, it's your art. So I will switch back to my eraser tool and I will fix my cat's tail. Just something like that. Perfect. And voila, guys. But I would like to fix this part of my branch, so I will switch back to my branch layer, switch back to my paintbrush, make size smaller, and I will fix just like this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. You can add more branches, you can add more leaves. It's up to you guys. It's again, it's your creation. um, I just want to show to you the easiest way of creating very simple painting for Halloween in Adobe Photoshop CC. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you. Can I continue working on my project? Of course. I can add a few more branches. I can add baby kitten next to mama cat. I can add as many details as I want. So guys, if you want, you can continue working on your painting. If not, we are done. Thank you very much for being with me today. If you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. And by the way, guys, it's Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays. You can work on this project with your kids, with your student. Just try to create something special with your kids in your classroom for this Halloween in Adobe Photoshop CC. Thank you guys very much, and I will see you later. Bye.